Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Open your Instagram app. Then you can find the search icon in the bottom. So tap on it. Next, you need to click on the search icon in the top. Now search the name of the person you want to check if they have blocked you. After that, you can go to his profile. If his profile says no posts yet, he has blocked you. If you can see his post, he didn't block you. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.